Good afternoon, everyone. My presentation is on AI. So, before going to start this presentation, I want to raise one question. That is, how many of you were not using AI? Not using AI. Can I know who were not using AI nowadays? Yeah. No one were not using AI. Not everyone is using AI nowadays. So there is no single person in the world who are not using AI. So on this, basing on this, I have selected this topic. And okay, what is AI? Can I get answer from everyone? Anyone? Not the full form actually. The what it's really mean. Can I know? Okay, AI is a kind of machine learning where we can include all. It also acts like a human being. For example, after a hardworking day, I will go home and ask. I will ask my AI, "Hey Siri, play a music for me." It will play. It means that AI developed in such a way where it can hear my natural language. Okay, in this way it developed. So AI is segregated in three parts like machine learning and deep learning and natural language. AI also can take a natural language. Okay, I have given you an example, Siri, right? And the next is we are using AI in different parts. We are using AI in transportation where we can track the details of a car or a vehicle by using AI. And we are using AI in healthcare centers like we are detecting cancer person using AI through MRI scans. Okay, and we are using AI to recommend. For example, I have a problem in preferring my certification course. I'm going to ChatGPT and using AI which certificate is better, or I'm asking AI to recommend which or what kind I do further. Like I'm taking recommendation from it. Okay, we are using AI in different sectors. Globally, there are so many of people who are using AI. And the next one is smart assistant, voice AI. So from Siri to ChatGPT. So in Doraemon, we are used to think why that Nobita is talking to Doraemon again and again. He is a robot, but okay, we are talking to ChatGPT. Isn't it a robot? Okay, so we need to understand how AI is developed. So we are using Siri to ChatGPT, right? And the next one is the accuracy. In healthcare centers, there are 96% of accuracy. Accurately, we are using AI to find the disease or the virus you have. And the next one is AI transporting education. We are using AI in transportation as well as education sector, and AI is 100% speed and 99% accuracy, and we are using AI 24/7. If I have a doubt, I at night 2 o'clock, I can't call my ma'am and ask it. I can go to ChatGPT or some AI platform. I can ask it and solve my problem. So in this way, we are solving. So, what are the challenges? We are AI is replacing the human jobs. It's a kind of challenge. So you can see the year and year growth how AI is actually developing. Okay, you can see the variations there 2024 and 2030 to 2040. You can simultaneously understand what exactly AI is doing nowadays. So thank you for listening me. Thank you. Thank you. Do anyone now have a question? Yeah.
The thing which you told about AI is good, but you said the AI will replace jobs.
Obviously. Now we can. There is a current update that Oracle in Oracle company, 30,000 people lost their job because of AI and development of AI. It unknowingly or knowingly replacing IT sectors. So you can know there is a live example.
But there are so many hardware jobs which AI can't replace now. What about those?
That is the reason why I given before that AI can replace human places, but AI created by human. AI is replacing human jobs. Exactly, I will. I mean, I will consider that point. But AI is created by the humans, right? So indirectly, we are getting jobs through AI. You need to consider that too. Any
Thank you.
questions? Yeah, thank you. And
Have you ever imagined yourself, or have you ever seen a historical monument? Have you? So imagine yourself in front of a beautiful monument like Taj Mahal. But instead of seeing its white beauty, but instead of looking at the architecture of the beauty of the monument, what if you see the scratchings or litterings around the monument? Do you think it doesn't affect the city or the place in any other ways? So the change or that destruction that we are causing is known as vandalism. Vandalism is a new term. It's not a new term, but a mostly unknown term that's being brought nowadays. Vandalism is an intentional or a willful destruction that is being caused by the humans to the historical sites or the heritage sites actually. It is being done by human beings intentionally or unintentionally, but it's producing a lot of it's giving a lots of impact on our daily life on the tourism spots. So let me put you all in a situation that what if the different types of vandalisms happens. Many people are doing are writing carvings or putting themselves or doing some scrapes on the monuments or some historical buildings. Whenever we are going to some historical buildings, instead of enjoying the beauty and instead of seeing the architecture or what are the things that we have to learn from the monument, actually what we are doing is we an intention to leave our mark behind or our intention to go with it or our intention to mark ourselves that we have visited the monument. We are putting either carvings or we are leaving something letterings or something else in some other other ways. But what might be the cause? The cause might be intentional or unintentional. There are a lot of things and vandalism is being spreaded a lot nowadays. It's being continuing for a long time. So vandalism is being continuing for a long time. Whatever might be the causes, the effects of the vandalism are very being severe and it is very effective. In some other way, vandalism is the one which is being prone to the tourism of the particular place. So a monument or a historical thing or or a heritage site is not only just a fort or a building or a stone or a construction, but it is also a representation. There are a lots of laws and punishments also that are being enforced by the government nowadays to stop or to control the vandalism. But even there are a lot of prevention measures instead we could take instead of going for laws and punishments. I think that could be better than going for laws and punishments. So please save monuments and educate the people who are doing carvings and educate the ones who are knowing intentionally or unintentionally doing these things. So please don't be vandals of the beauty and be the guardians of our heritage sites. Thank you. Do you have any questions?
Apart from you have presented in a it was a very great topic and you have presented it well. My name is Abhiram, and my question to you is, as you have said about vandalism, it could be intentional or unintentional. And at the starting of your presentation, you have said that Taj Mahal is getting corroded day by day. So, is it intentional or unintentional?
Might be intentional or unintentional. Many of us might have way that we might leave our many of us think that it might be our it will be our memory. If we write something, it will be our memory. That might not be intention to disrupt the property, but in the other way, it is obviously affecting the site's location. That might not be intentional, but let us talk about a beautiful topic, sustainable wedding, celebrating without the waste. Nowadays, wedding is a beautiful celebration. Wedding celebrates our love and joy. It keeps our bond. It makes our bond very strong with our relatives, and it is a little get together. It makes our bond strong. These weddings include many stages, and it follows many traditions and cultures according to their region or religion. These involve many. Hello all, I'm Rishita from ECE-C. Today I'm going to talk about sustainable weddings, celebrating without the waste. Wedding is a celebration of love. It's a celebration of our joy and our love. It makes our relations more strong, and it is a part of everyone's life. It gives it gives rela- it includes many traditions and rituals and customs according to their region or religion. It involves many parts. These are segregated into many stages based on their culture. Examples, ceremonies, decorations, first, and many others, etc. Nowadays, weddings have become very commercial. Uh, everyone are suppressed that tradition, and the weddings become very commercial. Uh, Excessive hidden cost of grand celebrations. In weddings, many the things are getting wasted. Examples first, money, and they are spending more amounts on unimportant things and to get more fashion clothes and
for decoration. Nearly tons of waste is get disposed every day because of the weddings. More carbon dioxide li- get liberated, getting the one day lasting impact. Wedding lasts an impact on everything, every human beings and every living being. This impacts our daily lives and our atmosphere also because of usage of plastic and many other non-biodegradable materials. Let us think that what if our big day becomes in a beautiful way and in an eco-friendly way. A small changes can become a big, small choices can become a big difference. So this is how we can make our wedding in a beautiful way and in a responsible way. Sustainable wedding is the only option to make our weddings eco-friendly. To, to make our weddings eco-friendly and responsibly. Let, let us think that why uh, let us think that why we should choose the sustainable weddings. These are the following are the reasons for choosing sustainable weddings. So let us make our wedding sustainable and it may help our future generations. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Prashant. This is a very issue which you have spoken and presented well, but I have a question. What kind of weddings you would choose and why? Method.
I can make my baking very simple and I follow many every tradition but in a natural way because I will avoid usage of plastic and I will reduce the spending of money on unwanted materials like clothing and decorations. We can make our decorations very eco-friendly way by using real flowers there, by avoiding the artificial flowers and in many other ways.
Before talking about education, I would like to ask you this. How many parts of how many parts does a brain consist? Okay. Basically, uh, I would like to talk about thoughts related to brain, which is conscious and subconscious. Okay. Do you know what is conscious? Conscious, conscious is a part of brain which controls 5% of our action, whereas subconscious mind will control 95% of our action. In our conscious mind, we used to solve problems, etc. Whereas with our subconscious mind, we have memories and habits and emotions, etc. Interesting. I would like to ask anyone think that our thoughts can really shape our reality? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Our thoughts what will really shape our reality. When we are talking to our self-creativity, we will become demoralized and we cannot grow. Negative thoughts affect confidence, decisions, and um, have you really doubted yourself, like including because talking to yourself, you are your best companion to talk to yourself. We should be positive and should avoid negative surroundings to become successful and get success.
Hello, Andy. Can you please explain what is the power of subconscious mind?
Our subconscious mind will really grasp our thoughts very fast. When we continuously think of it, it will become a reality. For example, if a person is weak in math, if continuously saying he can do anything in math, he really can. But he tries to say that I will solve definitely by trying.
Hello, everyone. This is Bhargavi. Um, have you ever imagined your life without a mobile phone? I think most of the answer is no. Without mobile phone, we can't survive because nowadays mobile phone is not only using for calling, it's also using for so many purposes like communication, um, payment, online learning, and etc. So without mobile phone, we can't imagine our life. Um, Now I'm here to tell how can we face challenges without a mobile phone. First of all, communication changes. Without mobile phones, we can't communicate easily because there are no instant messages, calls. We can only depend on uh, we can only depend on letters, landlines, and face-to-face communication. So communication becomes um, too hard without mobile phones. Social life, but our social life become uh, stronger because without using mobile phone we can spend more time with friends and family. So more face-to-face communication will increase without mobile phone. Education. Nowadays students use mobile phones very uh, very much because mobile phones make um, education education system very easy. So without mobile phones, students only depends on library. So it will be hard to imagine student life without a mobile phone. Work and business. Work and business becomes too fall because without communication we can't manage our work. With, they can't communicate and meetings conducted online meetings without a mobile phone. So it become very hard. Entertainment. Uh, Mobile phones entertains us very well. No Instagram, no YouTube. Without these all, our entertainment becomes very less. We can entertain with outdoor games and face-to-face communication, reading books. There are so many advantages without mobile phones. That are we can improve our mental health, peace, and face-to-face communication, and also physical fitness also by playing outdoor games. And there are so many disadvantages also because without mobile phone, the communication, the emergency communication will be stop. That means in emergency conditions, we can't call to anyone. We can only depend on letters and landlines only. So there are so many disadvantages also. So I conclude that without mobile phones are so useful in our life. Um, but we can use it wisely. Don't be distracted. Thank you all.
Would you live without mobile phone?
Absolutely, my answer is no. Because without mobile phone we can't survive. Because without communication, how we how would we live? Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Malaysia. My presentation is the universal language. How music maps the world. What is music? Music is an emotion, and we can feel better when we listen to music. And it helps to communicate with people around us. when we listen a Michael Jackson song or uh, BTS song, it was loved by the globally. Uh, but people don't know English or Korea, but they feel good when they listen. Music in the modern world, we can easily listen music accessible to the streaming apps and how music affects us. It affects us to it improves our body language when we listen and it improves our mood and reduces stress. It helps with memory and living. It creates emotional connections together and when we are around the people, it helps us to feel better. When we listen uh, Indian culture songs, we can know the traditions and lifestyles of around the people. I consider that music connects people all around the world and it helps everyone to connect each other and we can communicate each other. Music is a truly universal language.